Hello Plotter Pals, and welcome to our series of videos jumping into the outline section in Plotter. In this video, we're going to take a look at some of the major features that you can find in the outline section. You can think of the outline section as a clean, linear way to look at your story. It's automatically configured based on how you set up your timeline. Here we can see we have our file for the Three Little Pigs open. And on the left-hand side, we have our list of chapters. And on the right-hand side, we have the scene cards associated with each chapter. Finally, in the outline toolbar, you have the option to filter by plotline and to export. And we'll go over all of these features in more detail in future videos. So thanks for watching. If you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up and leave any questions in the comments below. And be sure to subscribe to our channel for any additional videos and updates we have. See you in the next video.